Dear customers and business partners, through our online store, you can order your favorite RAMPA articles fast and uncomplicated with only a few clicks. If you purchase mainly standard articles from us, you will notice right away that the online store is worthwhile. We would like to outline how the handling and navigation of our online store works. If you have any problems with the ordering process, please email us at mail@rampa.com and we will take care of your concerns as soon as possible. Step 1. Log in to the online store. First of all, please log in with your access details by clicking on Log in the upper right corner next to the shopping cart. If you are already a customer with us, your details are saved in the store. Click on Forgot Password to request a new password. If you are a new customer, please click Log in to register. Step 2. Your customer area. After you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your personal customer area. Here you will find your personal details where you can adjust them if necessary. If you have personalized vouchers for our online store, these will also be displayed in your customer area. In addition, you will find the ETA calculator here. Step 3. Find products via category tab. We offer you several ways to easily find our products. If you already know which specific product you want to call, you can simply enter it in the search bar. If you don't yet know which RAMPA products are right for you, you can use the application-based search via the category tabs. Here you have the choice between inserts, knock-in inserts, dowel nuts, cross dowels, screws, tools, and other. In our example, we want to look at the range of inserts. In the next step, you specify the material for which the fastener should be suitable, for example, oak wood. Step 4. Choosing the right product. You will now see the selection of products that are recommended for your entered specifications. To find out more about the individual products, simply click on the corresponding image. If you would like to narrow down the search results even further, you have the option on the left-hand side to set further filters. Step 5. Configuration of the selected product. We have now decided on the SKD 330. In the next step, you must specify your product selection by entering additional information for the thread, length, diameter, and width across flats. The intelligent filter automatically completes your first specification so that you quickly can get an overview of the possible design. If, for example, you select the M6 thread for the SKD 330 type inserts, all other article-related values are filled in and you only have to decide on the length and packaging unit. To change your specifications, simply click Reset. When you are done, add your selection to the shopping cart by clicking Add to Cart. Step 6. Order Overview. In the order review, you will get an overview of your selection and you have the opportunity to check again. If you have a coupon code for our store, you can enter it below the product listing to activate it. Afterwards, click on the Checkout button at the bottom right. Step 7. Address. You can now check the shipping and billing address information provided during registration and make any changes if necessary. To do this, simply click on Update. If you want to add the reference or a new billing and shipping address, please use the message field below. Step 8. Shipping. In the shipping menu, you can choose between RAMPA Standard Shipping, RAMPA Premium Shipping, and RAMPA Express Shipping. After that, please agree to our terms and conditions and click on Checkout again to see your preferred payment method. Step 9. Payment method and completion of the order. You can now choose your preferred payment method. If you have decided on a payment method other than invoice, please enter the desired data for the selected payment method and then click on Pay. If you select the option Pay on Account, you can directly complete the purchase process via Pay. Once the purchase process is completed, A new page will be loaded confirming the successful order. In addition, shortly you will also receive an order confirmation by email. Our logistics center team are working hard to ensure your goods are packed and shipped as soon as possible. We have a high stock availability, so normally you do not have to wait long for your order. Your order is now complete. Thank you for your trust, and we look forward to working with you in the future. We attach great importance to your satisfaction. If something didn't work out or you have any comments, please feel free to email us at mail@rampa.com or call us at +49 41 558 141 with the extension 0. Rampa. Good idea. Let's make it.